Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, please do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. One of my guilty pleasures in life is watching the Great British Bake Off TV series. Now, I'm not much of a baker myself, although I do quite like cooking. I just love the show. And usually, every Saturday afternoon, I sit together with my family on the sofa and we watch the latest episode. Last week, contestants on the Great British Bake Off had to take part in a Japan-themed challenge. And as part of this, they had to produce a special cake. Now, the cake needed to be both kawaii, which is a Japanese word which roughly translates as very cute, and it also had to taste delicious whilst containing some kind of special Japanese flavours. As you can imagine, this balancing act is quite difficult, and producing a cake which is both cute in a cartoon-like Japanese way and delicious in a Japanese-influenced way is no mean feat. If you say that something is no mean feat, you mean it's a great achievement. For example, for someone of my age, who's not a particularly great athlete, being able to run 10 kilometres in under an hour is no mean feat. In the same way, writing a course book, as Andrew and I do for a living. If you can manage to write a course book in under 6 months, wow, that's no mean feat. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about things that you think are no mean feat.